Hi guys. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to enroll with Jeks Crypto Academy. All right. The link is down below. You go to jekscryptoacademy.live. Once you open this website, you're going to see, our homepage. All right. It says make your crypto trading dream come true by enrolling in our courses today. All right. So you can explore courses, but the first way to begin is to get started if it's your first time. So you click on get started and it will simply open a form for you to fill as a first timer. All right. This is called the student registration form. So to fill this form, you need to enter your first name, your last name, your username, your preferred username, your email address, and your preferred password, and then you click on register. Once you register, you're going to receive a mail, okay, in the email that you've entered for you to verify your email. After the registration, you can simply enter that email address which you have verified and then enter your password and then sign in. So once you sign in, you'll find yourself in the home page. So once you find yourself on the home page, you can see the icons here. It says courses, live class, pages. So you can read about us, go to blog. You can also contact us directly as well. You can check the course list. Also, instructor registration. If you are an instructor, maybe you have a very important, cryptocurrency based or trading based related course you want to, showcase to students. You can enroll as an instructor and we will give you access for you to be able to publish your course and also get revenue from it. Okay. Once you scroll down, you can see the three main courses that have been published. All right. So as a beginner, we advise you begin from Introduction to Money Economics because it's more like you studying what you want to go into. All right, because you want to go into the digital financial system. So you need to have that knowledge of the world's financial system, okay, and all the politics behind it. All right, so once you're done with Introduction to Money Economics, you can now go for Introduction to Blockchain and Cryptocurrencies, where you get the basic foundation, and not just foundation, you get in-depth knowledge about how you can benefit from the crypto space. Okay, and when you're done with that, you can go into learning how to trade digital assets, which ranges from crypto, stocks, forex. So this is where you learn all that, and you can see the prices are different. Okay, so in this account, I'm already enrolled in this one. All right, so you can, for you, if it's your first time, you're going to be seeing about $70 here. All right, for this particular course. So just choose any of the course you want to begin with. Let's say we are beginning with this one, for instance. I'll click on this. You can choose this one or this one. So because I already enrolled here, I'm going to choose this one. So if I click on Introduction to Blockchain and Cryptocurrencies, now it's going to ask you to view cart because I just added it to my basket. All right. So once I click that, I'll click on view cart. And it's going to show me the price. Okay. Now I'll click proceed to check out. Okay. Proceed to check out. And then here's where I'm going to enter all my information. Okay. So you enter your first name, your last name, your company name, it's optional, it's not important. Choose your country. Okay, it could be any country, it could be any country. All right, so choose your street address, your town, your region, so you also enter your email address and then choose from the payment options we have here. Okay, as you can see, we have direct bank transfer, we have the MTN Momo Pay option, and also you can also pay using cryptocurrencies, using coins payment as well. So to choose any of these, you can see it's currently on direct bank transfer. Okay, you can choose the Momo Pay method, or better still, for best fast service when it comes to paying with mobile money, you can just scroll down and you can see the various options of mobile money that we have. Okay, you can actually pay with mobile money in Ghana cedis. These are the details you will use in making that payment. Okay, and as you can see here, it says students who wish to pay using the Ghana cedis can pay to the Momo below. So here's the Momo number which you can pay to, and also the amount for each of the courses. You can see the amount for Money Economics is just 900 GHS. Okay, you can see also the crypto and blockchain applications. It costs 1,300 GHS, and digital asset trading costs 3,700 GHS. All right, so for the entire courses, this is how much you're going to pay. individually if you sum it up. So you can also pay in Rwanda and France as well. Okay, the same thing goes to the various courses. You can pay for it. For money economics is 93,800. For blockchain and cryptocurrency applications is 134,000. Okay, digital asset trading 268,000. All right. So if you're in Nigeria, you can also pay using the Naira option. All right. But one thing is very important. You must make sure you read this carefully. It says kindly upload all deposit screenshots to info@jekscryptoacademy.live. Okay, so when you make your deposit using any of these payment options, these Momo options, all right, and even this direct bank option, okay, once you make, apart from the coins payment, for the coins payment option, if you choose coins payment, all right, it's going to take you straight to, it's going to take you straight to the API for you to send your cryptocurrency when you choose this option using cryptocurrency. So after entering the correct details on the left side, okay, I would simply click on complete payment. All right. So if everything goes fine, the payment is going to go through. The billing region is required. So you need to enter the billing region as well. One sec. This is optional, but I can just pick something, just to let that go. And then I check and be sure that every, all the checkbox, you have something entered in it. Okay. Click on complete payment. All right. So the next phase is once coins payment is going to bring you here. That's if you choose the crypto payment option, right? You can choose from the various cryptocurrencies which one you want to make payment with. All right, you can choose with any of them. You can make payment using Bitcoin, you can make payment using Litecoin, you can make payment using Dogecoin, Dash, Digibyte, Ether, any cryptocurrency you want to make payment with. Okay, as far as you see them listed here, you can even use USDT, TRC20, which is, one of the easiest, this guy here. Okay, so you pick the one you want to use and simply click on complete checkout. Okay, so when you click on complete checkout, it's going to bring out for you this page where you can send your USDT. Just scan the barcode and send your USDT from any source. Okay, and also make sure you read this instruction on what to do next. Okay, so once this payment is completed and it's received, you will be automatically logged into your program for you to begin your course. Okay, if after 30 minutes and you're still not in the program, quickly raise a support ticket to info@jexcryptoacademy.live. Okay, and we will help you check from the admin side and help you get started in this journey. Okay, so that's where I'm going to be drawing the curtain today. So if you want to enroll at Jeks Crypto Academy, I will advise you to take advantage of this program. Okay, I hope to see you enroll for this course. And don't forget, you're going to learn a lot in this course, from blockchain concept to digital asset trading. You learn about cryptocurrency, fiat money, introduction to NFTs, candlestick formations, how to manage your crypto wallet, and also different crypto algorithms, okay, which we call consensus mechanisms. Okay, so this and many more you're going to learn from this particular program. So as a beginner, I will encourage you to enroll at Jeks Crypto Academy, and you won't regret it. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you on board. Bye.